morning, back with another episode of Brandon's Outdoor Channel, February 29th, 2016, with Nella over here. We're at Sandy Beach, big lake. It's been a while. Usually I'm at Chris's Pond. Real foggy today. We just got here. It's like 7 o'clock. We're stuck in traffic, but we're set up. We got 4 rods in the water right now, 2 each. So on the far right side, my 10-foot rod with 6-pound test. I didn't want to change the line, so I'm just going to fish with 6-pound on that. That's got chartreuse green power bait. And the second one over here has a mice tail. That's bubblegum mice tail. Over here is orange glow mice tail. And the one over here, same chartreuse green power bait. Hatchery dust. Mice tails have Love Sauce by Lip Rippers. We'll check back in when we get something.
So did it catch something, or is it?
We don't know.
Yeah, it caught something. It's right there.
You need a net? I got a net. I'll get it. Tailwalker.
Nice, very nice, good stuff.
On a
so what do you do with
inflated night crawler with hatchery
That's
dust.
a big one, like a 2-pounder?
Yeah, about 1.5 pounds. You want a net? I'll net it for you. Nice. Oh, another one.
Using?
Like 3 and 10 minutes.
That's good. Did you ask what he's using?
Yeah, night crawlers, power bait.
You don't have it?
No, we just need luck.
We're getting it. We're going to catch it right back to back.
I'll help you. Maybe he came back. Same one? John.
Yeah.
The net.
Oh, wait.
Drop that. We're on. With that chartreuse power bait. Just keep winding. Did I tell you? I saw it moving kind of weird, and there was a lot of flag, so.
Yeah, nice.
Keep going. Follow it. Walk it. Walk it. Follow it. This way. Go over. Walk. 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 Wherever the fish goes, you gotta follow it. If he's going over the line, he's going over. If he's going under,
Okay, you fight it and let me reel it. No, I mean, you reel it and I'll get it.
might be, yeah. This might be pretty good. If I put more weight on it, I can put it out more.
Oh, you're gorgeous, baby. You're gorgeous. I knew you were coming to Mama.
Right here.
I knew you were coming.
Can I set this rod down? Drop it. Alright guys, lightning trout, Santa Ana Lakes, Sandy Beach.
Are you wearing it in?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Come on, bring it in. Come on, let's not lose it. Ooh, look how it's taking off. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at it.
Got a light burner.
That is amazing. I've never seen that. That's so cool.
Yeah.
That was so cool. It was just taking off opposite direction.
I don't know what all this is. It's good.
Bring it in. There it is. Come on, this is.
Just follow him. Just go over him. Over. Just go over. Over the rod.
No,
No, I already cut my line.
Oh, okay.
Bring it in.
He's still got some fight on it. Might not be good.
Right there. Come on, just closer. A little more. Bring it in. Bring it in. Come on, just
Lightning spot. Get ready to scoop it right when he's close. Don't put it in the water because he's gonna run from you.
Okay.
Hold on. Almost there.
I think I enjoyed this more than you.
Thank you.
That's the next one.
That's like the same size as the one I got.
Size is ours.
I
Very
think
nice.
he's barely hooked on the outside.
Yeah, the worm is out,
Nice
sticking out.
Yeah, he's unhooked already.
Yeah.
Or
It's
Wow.
good. We got it perfect
Lucky.
timing. It could have gone away.
I think it actually, the line is even like.
20 pounds.
We're at 2 fish, 1 lightning, 1 tailwalker, and we're gonna recast, reset our lines. So that's a orange glow mice tail, lip rippers love sauce garlic, number 10 demon circle hook, Carolina rig, typical setup, and we're gonna give it a long cast. Another fish on the mice tail. You can set it down.
Yeah, because
Set it down, get the net. Fish on.
Go
Brandon's
sit on
Outdoor
it.
Channel
got it.
on the mice tail.
Got it. Come on, baby, reel it in. Come on. Is this a 10, 20 pounder?
Go left. Walk left.
Oh, it's over there. Look, coming this way.
Yeah, you're right. It's a tailwalker. Spot. There. Yes. Number 3.
Yay.
The Nebraska tailwalker. That's 3. Right here, 2 Tailwalkers, 1 Lightning. Turn it off. Click the top. Chartreuse garlic power bait with love sauce. Just put a little bit of it on right there on the side.
Get my hands.
Get him. We got another one. On the power bait. Wine. Grip a little higher. Your right hand. Right hand. Move your right hand up. Grip it around the drum. There you go. Chartreuse green power bait. Liquor hatchery dust. I'm gonna move the camera up. You might have a nice big one. We're gonna move the camera up because this one's fighting pretty good. Still going? Lift.
Wow.
Yep.
It is really good.
You might have a nice big one or a good tailwalker.
Yeah, it's right here. It's right here.
Okay. Don't lift too much. Pressure.
Oh, it's taking off.
Fire him up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be a tailwalker or a Sierra. I mean, he was fighting pretty good though, so could have been. Oh, it's right there on the lip. It came off.
Oh wow, it's good. You caught him in perfect timing.
Yeah.
It would have escaped.
Could have got away.
Yeah. But don't drop it. You're too close to the water.
There.
Nice.
Good job.
Good job. Oh.
That's 4.
Nice. Nice.
Bam. Now it's on another one.
Whoa, he's taking off.
Let him run.
He's taking off.
Let him run.
I am.
She's on another one, so got a fighter on this one. Yeah, I have a pretty light just in case I get the toad. Wine. Are we stuck on you?
I think so.
I don't think they're pulling. Oh, it's going.
Hold on, just hold on tight. Stay still. Don't whine.
Oh, it's taking off.
We got plenty of line. We got 100 yards of line on it. They still have tailwalkers. This tailwalkers was 2 weeks ago.
How big do they get?
Probably up to 7 pounds. I don't know how big, like class. I haven't seen any huge tailwalkers. Whine. Once you feel slack, then.
Yeah.
But if it's pulling, don't pull. Whine.
I'd say walk this way. point the rod to the left. And push it right back there.
Which way is it pulling though? Can you stay straight
That
in front
way.
of your line?
It's right, I'm right on my
stay
line.
straight in front. Why?
Yeah, but it's pulling. You're coming off those two. When it's pulling, now it's going that way.
It's right here.
Oh, there it is. Oh. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going?
We're not. I don't think we're snagged on you, are we?
No, both of them.
At least fine.
It's all right.
Oh, okay. It's taking off. Oh, it's taking off fast.
Line burner.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a
fighting.
tailwalker.
It's fighting me like crazy.
Sierra bows don't fight like that.
Come on back. Come on back. Where do you think you're going?
No. It's,
Don't whine. Pull.
Come on. Okay. This is fun. I love this. They're making us really, really excited.
Lift. Whine. Lift and then whine.
Yeah. Right here. Coming this way. No, you're not.
Oh, don't. Whoa! Tailwalker just jumped. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a good size. You're looking at a 3-4 pounder. I just let it run.
I am.
Do you mind if I cut your lines, guys? Is that okay? Because we're gonna break line over here.
Oh wow, there's so many tangled up.
Sorry, I'll fix your guys' lines. Where else?
Okay, better get the thing.
I think I might just...
You want to come and get the thing? I have the fish right here. Come and get the boat. Oh. Now I went that way. It's over there. It's
Walk
over there.
it.
It's over
Walk
there.
it.
Walk it. Wow.
That's a fatty.
Wow, I can't believe I reeled that in.
Wow, that's over 5 pounds.
Oh, that's so good. High five. Oh God, that's so good. That
Nice.
was good.
So
Okay.
Nello's fighting that fish. I'll give you guys extra hooks, whatever you guys want. What you guys need. There.
I brought that in.
That's a nice tailwalker right there.
Yep.
Our biggest one ever. My
Biggest
biggest
one.
one that I've ever seen.
My biggest one.
So we're gonna get the scale for you guys. $4.1?
Wow.
4.1. I thought it was heavier, but
I thought it was heavier.
4.1 pounds.
I'll take it.
All right.
We'll take it.
Let's do it again.
Take it. We're good.
Oh, is it still breathing or no?
No.
Does it look fresh? Let me check the gills. I'll tell you if it's fresh or not. Well, it must have came off somebody's stringer. It's still twitching. So, barely alive and still fresh. You can see the gills are red and the eyes are clear. So, we're going to throw that in our basket. Fish on. Brandon's Outdoor Channel, number 7.
That looked like a nice bite.
Saw it bent, huh?
Solid?
Yeah.
That's why I set the hook on him, the treble hook.
Hey, is that a food that I brought there? One after the other now. Come on, Brandon. Here you go.
Tailwalker.
No, it looks like it might be. Either a tailwalker or a Sierra. Yeah, you can probably do it. Thank you. Right there. He's all wrapped up, but we'll untangle him. See our rainbow. Hold that one. Let's take this hook out.
Where's your hook for this, sir?
In the pocket. That one. We'll have to untangle this and cut it free. But anyways, one and only hook remover. Hold it up.
Hold up the camera so they can see.
Pop the hook out. That's the chartreuse green power bait, treble hook, size 16, and hatchery dust. Set it aside. We're gonna retie that anyways. So that's 7. Nella has another one. Handle it. He's on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring the camera in real quick.
Fighting, fighting, fighting.
Still there? Are you crossed over here? Watch your line. This one's moving too. I think you're crossed up. Oh, this one's crossed. It's crossed over here though. I got my other line. I think our lines are kind of crossed up. Yeah, you have one, right? And you crossed mine? Just gonna wind in my slack here. Plus the place that one. Still there?
Yeah.
Got him?
Come on, hurry up.
Is he ready to net? Don't pull, don't pull, don't pull.
Number 8. Number 8.
That's it. Hook out. Just toss it. And like near the water. Bait trout. Chartreuse green power bait. Hatchery dust. Okay, just finishing out our day. It's about 3:15 in the afternoon. We've got 8 total. These are the 2 biggest ones. This one weighed about 4 pounds. That's a Tailwalker. And there's a 3-pound lightning right there. We're gonna put these on a stringer and hold them all up for you. Okay, so end of the day. Here's the damage. Hold this side. Slide some over this way. Hold it up. Show the camera. There's 8 total. So half of them were caught, well, mainly on power bait, chartreuse green with hatchery dust, and then there was a few caught on mice tails. So really good day. The best Best I've had at this corner this season. And we'll be back next month. Thanks for watching my channel. Rate, comment, subscribe.